There are so many reasons to exercise as we get older. To name a few, our metabolism slows down, our bodies are more prone to injury, and, we're just not as quick or limber as we used to be. So walking is a tremendous way to incorporate aerobic exercise into your daily routine, and just about anyone can do it. If you're wondering how long a walking workout should be, ideally about 30 minutes of walking at a brisk pace 5 days a week is something good to aim for. If you want to translate that into something numerical, if you're a numbers person, taking about 100 steps per minute or walking about 3 miles per hour is another way to look at it. If you're going to be walking outside, a little bit of planning can go a long way. Check the weather. See if you're wearing enough layers, too many layers. Are your clothes breathable and comfortable? How about the bra? You want to make sure it's proper fitting so you're not bouncing all over the place. And of course, shoes that fit well and are comfortable for the type of walking you'll be doing outdoors. So now that we've talked about some of the fundamentals for taking a walk and turning it into a workout, let's discuss the best tips to make walking more effective. Every workout, including walking for exercise, should start with a warm-up. It increases your heart rate and blood flow to prepare your body for the workout ahead. You can do some simple stretching exercises or also some light jogging in place to get the blood pumping before walking. It's important to do some stretching after your walking workout as well. You want to increase the flexibility in those muscles that may have become tight from walking. Help prevent cramping by increasing the blood flow, and of course, decrease the risk of injury. You just don't want to have an abrupt ending to your walking workout or any kind of workout. Tip number 2 is to walk for a longer period of time than usual. If you typically walk for 20 minutes, stretch it to 25 and then to 30. You don't have to make big changes all at one time. Give your body a chance to work up to that increased period of walking time. It will get your blood flowing, help reduce stress levels, and of course, your metabolism will thank you for that extra time spent working out. Consider listening to some quicker tempo music while you walk. Why is that? Well, it's kind of fun, plus it will make your little feet walk faster. You want to increase your heart rate, make you work harder, assuming you're physically able to do that. And if you can keep the pace up, you'll burn more calories, stay more active, and so just grab that playlist and start moving. Maintaining proper form and posture is tip number 4. When we keep our posture erect and correct, it helps build strength in the muscles used when walking, and it also decreases chance of injury. If you can, keep your eyes forward as you walk, not down at your feet. Maintain a confident stride, swing your arms as you walk, and look ahead. There you go. And tip number 5 is to keep track of your progress. I will say that most of us think we've walked longer than we actually have, walked more steps than we really have, and worked off more calories than we probably have. So if you get an affordable fitness tracker, it can help you stay honest and realistic about what you're actually doing. There are so many benefits to regular exercise as women over 50. It improves our balance and flexibility. It strengthens our muscles. It increases our flexibility and helps us maintain or maybe even lose weight. And regular workouts can help us sleep better, boost our mood, and ultimately increase our confidence. A more effective walk offers so many benefits to our overall health. It's good for the body, good for the heart, and good for the soul. So get out there and make your walks more effective. Thanks for watching my video. Visit inspiremystyle.com to find lots more good stuff for women.